Gotta spool up, you know, get a little. Oh my sweet baby, good lord. That's a lot of gold. That's a lot of gold. Oh, there it is. Whoa. Very nice, very nice. It's pretty crazy. This guy just parked this MC12 in the middle of the La Brea, so to speak. I think this location looks pretty familiar. There's a PML quick strike, a night strike, so to speak, a couple months ago. That did not turn out well. Let's take a look at this thing. Dang. It's the Caretaker's Collection. MC12. We got a Barchetta right over here. A Jag. I'm in the middle of the street. Whoa. When was the last time we even saw an MC12 on the streets here in Los Angeles? Good lord. I think he just picked this up about a couple weeks ago. This is the most monocle car ever to grace the streets of Los Angeles. Take a look at the interior here. Oh yeah. No plate. Nothing. The funny part is, like, all these people that are driving past this MC12 literally have no idea what they're looking at. But, you know, to each their own. These cars are getting old. It's almost like if you know, you know these days, which is kind of sad to say, but man, the MC12 on La Brea, dude. See, this guy knows what's up. There you go. He appreciates a little Monaco spec, a little MC12. This guy in the Jeep knows. This guy in the Jeep knows. He's eyeballing it. He's eyeballing it. Might as well take a photo, man. No? Oh, okay. Dude, we're seeing Veyrons left and right these days. That Grand Sport earlier, last night. And we got this one here. Oh. Very nice. Montana plated Barchetta. Manual. Okay. Oh my god, dude. This guy's an absolute legend. I feel a little bit better now knowing that it's not in the middle of the street. Holy smokes. Max, I just noticed this car has a third brake light. Nice wheels, AMG Aero 2s, paint matched. Where's he at? Where's he at? Where's Sammy at? Oh wait, there's Sammy the Rad Man. Living the best life ever, all Montana plates. Black CGT. Very nice. Dude.
That guy, I'm not gonna say anything.
What's this guy doing? Man, Prius drivers. No, it's gone. I missed it. Oh, wait, hold on. Got you with the mini zoom. That is by far the most Melrose outfit I've ever seen in my life. No way, dude. It's like a Louis Vuitton vest, bro. In plastic. Got a roof Porsche right over here. Yeah. Matching wheels, tinted taillights. Damn. Guys, look at this Prius. It's chrome. No way. Someone spent the money to wrap their Prius in a chameleon chrome color. What are these goddamn tints now, boy? I can't even see your face. I'm gonna have to call Officer Pena on you, sir. Mobbing. Yo, was that Weaver? Whoa, whoa, oh my goodness. This guy's just mobbing, dude. Hold on, wait for it. There you go. Wow. Do you see how fast he pulled in, dude?
He did.
That was frighteningly fast. That's baller, dude. That's so sick. Wow. Hold on, let me zoom. That's so nice. Look at that. That's a trap spec Urus right there. It's like Golf livery, yeah, Golf livery. McLaren SLR on the right. Oh, that's sick. Oh,
that's a flex.
That is a major
Got a
flex
Balenciaga.
right there. All right, boys. Mr. Sheep, check. Mr. Snake, double check. Broken couch, triple check. And of course, we got, oh my goodness, it is finally here. Boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, the exhaust for the Superleggera, the 2008 Superleggera Lamborghini Gallardo. My goodness, this has been a long time in the making. We're gonna open her up, take the exhaust out, and we're gonna put it in the Prius, drive the Prius to Anthony Garage's house, about 30 minutes that way, pick up the Lambo, and then we're gonna install ourselves. He has a Huracan Spider, and he's installed his exhaust all on his own. So he says it's going to be pretty easy, very straightforward stuff. But as you can see over here in this corner, absolute mess, but it is a lesser mess than around 2 weeks ago because I've kind of cleared out all the model cars that I want to sell and I want to keep. So stay tuned for that. I know I've been mentioning this in the past few videos and for the past month or so about selling half of my collection. It is finally happening, so stay tuned for that. There will be an Excel sheet that I'll be putting up, a Google Docs Excel sheet of all the cars that are being listed, the prices, the make, the model, the color, the condition, all that fun stuff. So stay tuned. Let's open her up, baby. Here we go. This has been a long time coming, a lot of padding here. Let's put her right over here on the massive beanbag. Boom, there she is. This exhaust here is going to change a lot of people's lives, is going to affect their hearing, and it's going to change the perspective on what's a good sounding supercar. Old school versus the new school. So without further ado, let's put this in the Prius, head over to Anthony's, and be on our way, baby. Let's go. Boys, we got the Super G here. We got Anthony's garage.
Yes!
Anthony, in the last video, I gave you a shout out. Oh. Saw your car at Raging Bull Performance. It's back in your garage.
Oh, yeah.
I did say that, you know, I was hoping that you'd be giving us another video.
But yeah, we're going to put an exhaust on this.
Damn it. On your channel. But we're having Anthony here assist me. He's got all the gear. He's got all the equipment. I don't even have a garage here in Los Angeles, but here it is in the flesh. We got this nice little Persian rug here to have our the royal treatment, so to speak. So we got all the pieces here. We got the beautiful chrome Lotus right over here, fully functional. We got Mr. Sheep just chilling right over here. Oh yeah. This is like the ooh, he's like in pristine condition, dude.
Bad.
So we're gonna be doing the install ourselves. Well, mainly Anthony's gonna be doing most of the work. I'm just gonna be here for more support because I don't know what the hell I'm doing. But you're the one that installed the Huracan exhaust on your own. Is that correct?
Yeah. The worst part is probably, I mean, you gotta unbolt the diffuser.
Right.
The whole bumper. And all these grills come out.
Yep.
And, you know.
That's it.
But then once everything's out, you just bam.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
All right, guys, this is a before stock exhaust on the 08 Super G. I'll give you like, it's not a cold startup, but I'll give it a couple reps. Your neighbors are gonna hate us.
You wait till later.
All right, guys, so we just jacked up the car, loosened the 2 wheels, and we removed the 3 mesh grills right over here. Put all the bolts and stuff right over here. So this guy's channel is called Exotic Car Place. The Lamborghini Gallardo rear bumper removal in HD. This is the video that we're watching and following his exact instructions step by step. So, all right, guys, we got the heat shield being removed as we speak. We got the rear bumper and the diffuser off. Now, I don't know about you guys, but rear bumper deletes were a fad maybe about like a year or 2 ago. Those has completely disappeared for the most part in the car scene. Anthony, what do you think? I mean, rear bumper deletes, is that a yay or a nay?
Where's Alex Choi?
As you can see, it's a little dark outside, but you can tell that we've been here for a little bit, but we got the stock OEM exhaust off. We got the heat shooting off, obviously the rear bumper and the 2 tires. And here it is. I believe this stock exhaust is around 62 pounds. It looks a little beat. and a little rusty, but we might have to save the tips for the new exhaust. All right, so we got a couple rusty bolts over there, and these are the cats, right?
Yeah, the primary.
The primary cats, and our instructional Lamborghini Gallardo exhaust install video that we were watching does not remove the cats. So we're gonna have to figure this out on our own. And as you can see, some of the bolts are a little rusty. So what are you spraying this thing with?
Look how old this can is. PB Blaster.
Oh,
from
yeah.
like 1976.
Yes, sir. best stuff in the business. This car was imported to Canada about 10 years ago, so it definitely saw some salt roads. Hello, everybody. It is day 2. It is actually day 2. Anthony here, the hero that's been doing the entirety of this build here, has we ran into a couple issues with the bolts and nuts and some of the what else got rusted up yesterday?
It's mostly anything steel, because obviously aluminum doesn't rust. So
right, yeah.
Steel, bolts, nuts.
Yeah, everything that was attached to these 2 catalytic converters. Right over here, as you can see, it has a heat shielding as well, and these things are absolutely massive. These are the new ones that we're installing right now, and it's so much easier. Anthony, how's the install looking? Like,
I think, day 2 of 2, let's say. Now, we're not going to day 3.
Well, boys, and the single girl that's watching this channel, we have the exhaust bolted on. The cat deletes are on as well. Is that right, Anthony? We got everything sorted out.
Yeah, just we don't have the tips on.
We don't have the tips, so the tips are still on the old exhaust. So Anthony's been doing all the hard labor. I've just been sitting around with a flashlight in my fucking hand, shining at the dark spots for him. But as you can see, everything is in place. We're gonna do a quick startup to make sure there's no exhaust leaks. Is that correct?
Yeah, we're gonna check all the clamps and just see how it runs right now.
Yes, sir. So I don't think your neighbors are gonna be too happy about this one. So I'm gonna pass the camera off to Anthony here.
Okay, here we go.
Let me get the key. If all is well, because we're worried about the clamps, like they look a little wonky, and we're kind of worried about the exhaust leak as well, but in theory, we did everything right.
I believe so.
Okay, so in theory, when I turn this car on and everything checks out, fuck boys of Los Angeles, I'm fucking watching you. I'm coming after you.
Oh shit.
Okay,
Wow.
yeah, that's a problem.
That's loud is not the right word.
I was trying to I was trying to yell at you. I was screaming.
Yeah,
and you couldn't hear me, so I was like, "Do we turn it off?" Like, okay.
It's like a bomb going off, but like continuously bombing. The quote from Lambo Jesus was
2 to 3 times louder.
and that's probably so. I mean, take whatever is quote the word loud means to you and multiply it. Dude, oh shit! The cops are they're gonna arrest you.
Let's go, baby.
Title of the video is like, I will get arrested with this exhaust. That's not clickbait.
And like so the plan was to have it on for 30 seconds to 60 seconds to check for like exhaust leaks and just to make sure everything's on the up and up. We didn't even get that far. That was like, what, 15, 20 seconds. And we were like, we gotta cut this.
I got freaked out. Now, this red car is loud. Okay?
Yeah.
Very loud. For most people, like they cover their ears.
Right.
With that car. And so I'm used to loud, right? And this freaked me out. This is like race cars aren't this loud.
What should we do? Should we?
We're not like making this for the video. This is not for the video. We're actually concerned right now.
Well, I mean, we are in like an enclosed garage, so
yeah,
the sound is echoing off. But how do we go about this without pissing everyone off in your neighborhood?
Well, I'm more concerned about just your overall situation.
Oh, I'll be fine. I don't care.
Oh. Okay. Well, as far as my neighbors, I mean, all we could do is just put it together and
just move forward and ask for forgiveness later.
Yeah.
I think that's this is your call, so I don't know what we should do.
We need to figure this out.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll let you cut because
what the fuck?